Hello all, welcome to Cognitive Hub channel. This is Venkata from Cognitive Hub. You guys have supported me throughout my talent lectures and previous Tableau as well as SQL lectures. This time, based on your request, I started doing content related to Talent Cloud. Here we will get to know the complete information related to Talent Cloud in a span of 10 lectures. And these lectures includes right from installation to scheduling jobs. And one thing I want to mention, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it now and share this channel to your friends and colleagues. And if you have any doubts related to Talent Studio or Talent for Big Data or Talent Cloud, please comment it down. I will probably reply within 24 hours. And lastly, please help Cognitive Hub channel to reach more people around the world. It's time to get into the main video. Okay guys, in this video what I am going to discuss is I am going to explain you about how to create a personal access token in Talent Cloud, as well as how to create a personal access token in GitHub as well with your personal GitHub account. If you don't have a previous GitHub account, just I will ask you to create a one with the specific username and some password, and remember that username and password, because we need GitHub credentials here while if you want to connect to Talent Cloud and Talent Studio. So we will be using GitHub as a repository here, but I will be explaining that how we can connect the GitHub with the Talent Studio and all in the next videos. But in this video I will be explaining you about how to generate a personal access token in cloud and in the GitHub, and how these two tokens will be helpful in in installing the Talent Cloud. So for that, what I am going to do is, if you want to create a personal access token in the Talent Cloud, then what you need to do is go to the profile preferences here, and if you click on the profile preferences, you will be having the options like this, like about me and notifications and language and personal access token and password. So if you see the use about me here, the login name here, it is showing it as ivsr517 @ the domain name that what we are having in the email. So it is giving as a domain name just like the gmail.com, it is giving as some us.talent.com. Because it is a trial version, that's why it is we don't have an option to select it in our own, so it became automatically. And similarly, this is the email address that I have given, and notifications here, one more thing, and language and region, and personal access token. This is the place where we need it. And here add token, click on add token now, and we need to give some name. What I am going to do is I'm going to give some new token. So it is giving, so just read this information. This information is displayed only once. Below is the access token generated. So this token will be available here, but this particular code is not displayable again. So what I am doing is I am just copying this clear keyboard, and I am pasting it here, and I'm closing this. So if you open this, suppose if you again want to see that particular token, if you click on the note new underscore token, we didn't have an option to again watch that content. Just we have an option to edit the name, but we didn't have an option to see the content what that particular exact token is. So whenever you have that code initially, just copy that and save it in somewhere, because that particular code will be helpful while installing the Talent Studio. And one more thing, okay, before going to that, what I will suggest you is go to the Talent Studio now and click on the Talent Studio application, and it will take some time for installing, like for loading. Sorry, it is already installed. So whenever it is loading, it will ask for us some few steps that we need to give, so that I will explain you here. So first of all, it is asking to accept the user license agreement, so directly click on accept. If you have your patience to study, you can go ahead. and here it is asking for some product license on a remote host. So what I'm going to do is, as we opted for USA East, click on USA East. So then it changed here. So it is asking for login and token. So here login, whatever the email ID that I have given, I am using that, and token, in the place of token, whatever the code that I have copied previously, that I have just pasted it over. And what I am doing is I am clicking here fetch option. If everything is fine, like the token and username login was fine, then it will show like your license for Talent Cloud data management platform is valid. So once that is valid, it will ask, like it will show like license expiration date. That means 29th is my expiration, because I have installed it in a 15th date, and 15 to 14 days, like total 29 is the final date. So I click on next here. So the process is not yet done. We still need to give some information to create some connections, that we are going to do it now. So it is loading some time. It is taking some time to load, so just wait for that. So before loading this, what I will suggest you to do is, I will ask you to go to github.com. GitHub login. So if you already have a GitHub, then I will suggest you to open that and log in. So this is the GitHub that I have with the username as Subbaro517, and I have few repositories that even I have created this recently. So when I go to my repositories, so these are the 2 repositories that I have. So what I will suggest you is, whenever you have created this, go to your profile and click on settings or your profile. Click on settings and go here, go to developer settings here, and if you go to the developer settings, we have total 4 here, 3 here. One is GitHub apps and OAuth apps, and then personal access tokens. So this is where you need to create a new personal access token. So I have already created one. I am just leaving that alone, but I am creating a new new token here. So generate token. So for that, it is asking me for password. I am just confirming my password. So it will initially ask for a note. So I am giving a note as final token, just a random name, and I am giving all the access, like repo access, workflow, rate packages, delete packages. I am giving the complete access. Delete repo, write discussion, admin enterprise, admin GPG key. This is for encryption. And finally, you need to click that generate token. So once you click that, the token was generated. If you want, you can directly copy it here, and just like a Talent Cloud, it will also remains only for some time. So I have created both GitHub access token and personal access token. So if you observe here, this is the previous token that I have generated. You can again regenerate this token. If you suppose lost or forget, you can just click on this regenerate token, then it will ask again some options, then you need to update that token. That's it. So no need to create a new one, but just for your understanding, I have created this token. So maybe whenever you are coming to this site again after creating a token, then you can just update it or just regenerate that particular token. So that's it. So what we will be having now is, we are having both GitHub access token as well as the Talent Cloud access token. So okay, now we are having this Talent Studio. Yeah, this is the place where we need this information. So for that, what I am doing is click on manage connections here. So for the manage connections, if you click on check URL, it will show this pop-up as success. I am clicking OK. I am clicking OK. But here, if you observe here, it is not showing any projects here. So if you want to show any projects, we already have in the current repository 2 projects, but I will show you how to do that. So if you want to create the GitHub project and all, I think it will need a separate discussion for that. So 1 second, it is loading. So basically, whenever if you want to create a connection, click on manage connections here and click on the plus button, something like that, and here the region was USA East and name I am giving it as new remote, and username what I am going to give is I am going to my GitHub, sorry, not a GitHub, my Talent Cloud, and going to about me, and here we have some login name as ivsr517 @ some domain name. I am copying that. You need to give this particular username, because unless or until you give this name, it will show some error. And in the token place, give the Talent Cloud token. And then check URL here. So then it is shows as successful. Click OK, and now OK. So again, the connection was successful now with the corresponding project, with the corresponding login name that we have in the Talent Cloud. That means the connection was successfully set with Talent Cloud and Talent Studio. But what happens is we are not getting any projects to the existing project. So how we will be getting that, and how before we are getting this, we need to give some we need to add some things here, because we didn't have any workspaces here and we didn't have any projects here, we didn't have any engines as well here. So how we will be doing that and all, I will be explaining in the coming lectures. So what we have done in this lecture is we came to know about how to create a token in Talent Cloud and how to create a GitHub token, and how to use that GitHub token and GitHub token and Talent Cloud token, as well as the Talent Cloud user main login name with the domain in the while connecting the Talent Studio. And in the coming lecture, I will be explaining you about how we will be getting the projects from the remote connection that we have used in the Talent Studio. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.